Hey folks, Rogers Motor Cars here. Today we've got a 1982 Chevy K10 Silverado. It's a long bed truck. Just finished restoration on this. Very, very nice truck. It's got a 388 stroker, which is 350 that's been stroked and bored. This thing runs awesome, 500 horsepower. And let me tell you, from a stoplight, it will light the tires. Drive 80 miles an hour on the highway, one finger on the steering wheel, and plenty of power to pass people. It's a very nice truck, runs awesome, doesn't leak. It's got a built 700 R4 overdrive trans. It's got the 3/4 ton 8-lug axles, new worn hubs, 35-inch Mickey Thompson tires. Very, very nice. I'm sorry, those are Toyo Open Countries, Mickey Thompson wheels. New paint. Motor's got flat top pistons, competition cam, 502 lift. I've got a big list of all the components on the internals and some pictures as well. Holley Brawler carburetor, dual electric fans, serpentine setup. Of course, HEI distributor, ignition. Roller rockers, hydraulic lifters. It's bad to the bone. All Rancho suspensions new steering components as well. It's got the red head steering gearbox on it. Nice and tight. It's a dual tank truck. Both tanks work, switch works. All the power windows and locks work. Very straight, very nice paint, new dual hoop roll bar there with 6-inch KC lights. They're all working as well, brand new. Of course, you can hear it running. It just sounds so mean, so nice. Got the bed liner inside there in the bed. It's all new as well. The motor's got about 9,000 miles on it. Everything else is fresh. New interior, carpet, seats, door panels, dash, bezel, radio, stereo system, all new. Has been dynomatted. The doors dynomat, floors, even the headliner. Inside, the stereo's got a Bluetooth radio, two 10-inch Kenwood speakers behind the seat, a 1500 watt amp, and for the speakers inside, we've got Infinity Kappa. There's two 6x9s, two 6.5s, and tweeters in the dash. It's loud, it's crisp. Very clean truck. All new grill, headlights, trim. All new. Engine compartment is absolutely gorgeous. It's like a show truck under there. The undercarriage is gorgeous. Aluminum radiator, of course. Let's take a quick look inside. All your new door panels here. New seat. Got our speakers back here. New dash. Let's turn up the radio a little bit.
Selection of boots.
Need a station.
Relief, America's most trusted resolution company.
No music on right now on the radio, but there's our headliner.
Easy call to optimally start the process. Helping to put an end to your worries of wage garnishment, asset seizure, and other aggressive IRS actions. Make today the beginning of your fresh start with the IRS.
It sounds good. Give it a little rev. Very easy to drive. It's not too high, not too low. Makes a great statement. Classic look. It's got 4-wheel disc brakes all the way around. Power disc brakes, by the way. Stops like a dream. Those 3/4 ton lugs are awesome. They can handle all that horsepower, no problem. Go to the website, rogersmotorcars.com. If it's listed on the website, it is still available. You can call us, text, email. We do respond quick. Most of our deals are done long distance, over text message or email. We can FaceTime video, whatever you need. We can also help arrange transport anywhere in the United States. We can work with your bank. It's a one-of-a-kind truck. This is not a slap-together restoration. This is a very nice, high-quality job on this. No leaks on the motor or trans. We hope to hear from you soon. Go ahead and you can ask questions in the comments if you like. Subscribe. We've got a lot more stuff like this in the pipeline. We hope to hear from you soon. Have a great day.